Hello viewers, in today's lesson I'm coming to show you how you can install Jetbrains Rider on Windows 11 operating system. It's an IDE for .NET frameworks or .NET programming languages such as C#, VBasic and others. My name is Eritin and this is JetTech YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video for us. Let's get started. A link to this website is at the first comment. Just click on it and you'll be redirected to Jetbrains official site. Here we have installers for different operating systems. We have for Linux, we have Mac OS, and then Windows operating system. Alright, so here you're going to download the Windows operating system or the Windows installer. So we have Windows, just select Windows. Yes, but the sad news is that for the Jetbrains Rider, we don't have the community edition, but they have 30 days trial. Yes, you can try it for 30 days and after that you have to pay for the license key. Alright, so here after selecting Windows, just click on download. Alright, so now it's downloading. Now after you have downloaded Jetbrains Rider, just open your downloads. Alright, so now we have Jetbrains Rider here. Just double click on it. Alright, so this is the first screen. Go to next, select default installation folder. Alright, so please don't forget to select all these options. They are very important. Alright, so click next and then install. So now Jetbrains Rider is installing. Alright, so here you have to select this option for Jetbrains Rider to be installed successfully. Alright, so now we have reboot now. Just select reboot now. Finish, please. Don't forget to save your unsaved documents. So now you have restarted your machine. So just go to your desktop, select Jetbrains. So this is the IDE. Double click on it. Alright, so this is the first screen. Yes, you can import settings from other IDs, but here just skip imports. Alright, continue again. You can choose to add other plugins. Alright, so here this is the first welcome screen. So here we have new solution. So in .NET we have solution. You can create a new solution, that is a project. Yeah, so just click on new solution. So you can create console application, that is command line application. So here we have so many options. We have console, we have class and other stuff. Yeah, just choose console application. So the solution name by default is console app 1. So let's select it. Alright, so just click on create. So now your project is creating. Alright, so my name is Eritin and this is JetTech YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you. Bye bye.